Welcome to my review of the FlexiSpot E6 Max standing desk. We're going to be testing out this dual motor solid wood desk to see whether or not this is the best standing desk that you can buy. By the end of the video, you're going to know whether or not this desk is right for you. I got it in the all white version, but you can get it in different colors. Coming in right at around $320, this isn't going to be the cheapest standing desk on Amazon. However, I think that the cost will be worth it in the long run. Before we dive deeper into this review, I must say that I was sent this by FlexiSpot to review inside this video. However, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. With that being said, let's go over the build process. The desk arrived in two different boxes, one for the top of the desk and one for all of the different accessories. I started with unboxing the solid wood top first, and it looked like it was really well packaged. When it comes to a standing desk, I love having a solid wood top because if you have those two pieces on the top, you have that line in the middle and it just really isn't great to work with. So I was happy to see that this desk included a solid piece of wood. Next, I moved on to unboxing all of the different accessories. All of the tiny pieces were contained in boxes, which I really appreciated, and this was the look at everything once it was completely unboxed. The build process itself was pretty simple. One person could easily do this in about 30 minutes. I started with putting the support beams together. Each side was 3 different pieces, and all I had to do was slide the outsides together and then tighten them down. After that, I took the Allen wrench and tightened down both of the lifting columns. It was only 4 screws per each side, and it took hardly any time. The feet were next, and once again I used an Allen wrench to screw them onto the bottom. At this point, the base was basically finished. All I had to do was set my previous work on top of the slab of wood, install the adapter arm, and then get it to the right length so it lined up with the screw holes. It was then time for the fun part, screwing in all of the different pieces. I started on the outside to screw in the legs, then I worked towards the inside and installed the control box, and finally the keypad. Once I connected all the wires, I was basically finished. Just a little bit of line and cable management with the included zip ties and Velcro, and I decided to swap out the feet for the wheels just to make it easier to push around. And this is what the final product looked like. There are so many reasons to own a standing desk, and I feel like this one from FlexiSpot really does make a case for the best standing desk on Amazon. You can find so many different standing desks on Amazon. A lot of them are going to have the split wood piece on top, which I definitely wouldn't recommend, and you may find that they only have 1 motor instead of 2. This one, however, has quite a few features that make it a standout. It has a max standing height of 52 inches and a minimum of 24 inches. Also, the keypad is really simple to use. We have an LCD screen and backlit buttons. These 2 arrows here can make the desk go either up or down just by holding it. Then we have different modes that we can preset ourselves. All you have to do is just select the height that you want to have. So I will make the sitting at 30. You just click on the mode button and then you click on the sit, and then it will automatically create that 30 inches mode for sitting. So we'll put the desk down a little bit, then I will click on sitting and it will automatically stop at 30. You can do that for all 4 of these different modes. It also has a sensitivity mode, so if it notices it's going to hit something, it will hit it and then immediately pop back up. My primary use case for a desk like this has to be for filming YouTube videos. I can easily attach my equipment onto the side of the desk because it has a minimal amount of thickness, but it still remains sturdy, so I could press on the desk, I could wiggle it, and it's not going to affect my footage when I do that. It also allows me to quickly adjust the height of the desk, so if I want to work on emails while standing, I could raise it all the way to the top, stand, work on some emails, and create a better working position for myself. Or I could do the opposite, lower the desk, sit here and film videos like this one. All in all, if you're looking for a motorized standing desk, I definitely recommend FlexiSpot, and this desk right here is extremely sturdy, has smooth motion, and a wide range of height, making it my choice for a standing desk. In conclusion, this desk has worked out great for me, it's worth buying, and I hope it works out for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. My name's David, and if you're into more content like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to stick around when I release my next video.